Assalamualaikum class 9th. Hope you all will be good. I have started your grammar work, and in your grammar work I have discussed about the tenses. We have done present tense. In present tense we have done present definite tense and present continuous tense. I have given you an exercise to do. First 5 sentences I have done to my own, and the next 10 sentences you have to do it to your own. Just fastly see the answer you have done it correctly or not. Sentence number 6. The earth revolves. It's singular. We write as the earth revolves around the sun. She learns French in present at present. So at present is written. It's mean it's present tense. So we write learns here. They do not do लिखा हुआ. They do not do their work regularly. Shahida sings a sad song today. They always come back home late. She speaks English now. She speaks English quite well. The baby cries for milk now. They go to sleep at 10. He does not keep me waiting. That is the answer of exercise number 1. Now I want to start my next lecture. Today date is 24/6/2020. It's my 7th lecture and day is Wednesday. Now present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, and the next activity is related to present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. See the definition of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to indicate an action that is completed by a given time to connect or completed action with the present. So the action will be completed or fulfilled इन एट प्रेजेंट टाइम. जो भी हम एक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो भी काम हो कोई भी काम है तो वो कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा एट प्रेजेंट टाइम, उसे हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस बोल रहे हैं. आई हैव रेड द 2 बुक्स. सी मैं 2 किताबें पढ़ चुका हूँ. अगर हमें इसे उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करें कि काम मुकम्मल जब हो जाएगा तो उसके लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे कि परफेक्शन से निकला हुआ है कि परफेक्ट काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आई हैव रेड द 2 बुक्स. शी हैज़ सेंट हिम बैक. दे हैव लिव्ड इन दिस हाउस. सी आई हैव नॉट heard from him. All of these sentences are related to present perfect tense. The present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, the time limit is given. We have to write since and for. That is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. The action will be begun in the past. It should not be completed. It should not be completed. See the definition of present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action that begins in the past is still continuing. It means the action is starting or begun in the past. Past में वो काम शुरू हुआ है और अभी तक वो काम जारी है. It is not still completed. See the example. She has been playing the piano since 2 o'clock. See I have written since 2 o'clock. 2 बजे से वो पियानो बजा रही है. I have been waiting here for 2 hours. 2 hours से मैं उसका इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ. The packet has been lying there since morning. So since and for is written to show the time, and we write helping verb has been, and ing form will be there. Here we write has and have, and third form of verb is given. When we have third person singular he, she, it are singular noun. We write here has, and with rest of the noun and pronoun we write have. अगर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर ही, शी, इट है या सिंगुलर नाउन है, हम उसके साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज़ लगाएंगे. अदरवाइज हम उसके साथ हैव लगाएंगे. सेम is in the tense. If we have third person such as she has, we write she has been playing. If we have third person singular he, she, it are singular noun, we write helping verb has been. And with rest of the pronoun we write helping verb have been. बाकियों के साथ हम हैव बीन लगाएंगे और सिर्फ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर या सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हम हैज़ बीन लगाएंगे. एंड टाइम लिमिट दी हुई होगी. दैट इज़ the symbol that if we have a time limit, it means it is present perfect continuous tense. See, the words since and for are commonly used with the present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Since is used to indicate the point of time when the action began, and for is indicate the period of time lasted up now. Since तब यूज़ होता है जब हमें ये बताना होता है कि एक्शन इज़ बिगनिंग, इट टेल्स अस वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, ये हमें एक पॉइंट बताता है, सच एज 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ है, एक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ है, व्हेन इट विल बी कम्प्लीटेड वी डोंट नो. 2 o'clock एक्शन स्टार्ट तो हो गया, लेकिन ये कंप्लीट कब हुआ है वी डोंट नो. इट इज़ टेलिंग अबाउट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, नॉट द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. बट इन फॉर वी हैव अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम सच एज 2 hours. 2 hours फुल टाइम पीरियड हमें बता दिया गया है कि उसने वो काम 2 घंटे के लिए किया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर फुल टाइम लिमिट नहीं होगी. इट्स टेल अस वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड विद फॉर वी हैव फुल टाइम पीरियड. इट टेल्स us about the period of time. I hope you have understand when we use since and when we will use for. Exercise. Put the verb in the correct form of the present perfect, and you have to write present perfect continuous tense. It is not simple or continuous. You have to write present perfect continuous tense. In this activity you have to solve present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. If we have the word since and for in a sentence, it will be present perfect continuous tense. You will write helping verb has been, have been and ing form. If it is simply written, it has written already, which shows the completion of action, then we write has and third form of verb. See the first sentence, I already have taken 3 rupees of coffee. With I we write has, and third form of verb taken 3 cups of coffee. Second, I not see, use since Monday. Since is written and Monday time period is given. Since Monday you will write here have been and ing form. I have been seeing you since Monday. My brother not write to me for 10 years. See, 4 is given here, time period is given, it's present perfect continuous tense. You will write my brother. Brother is a singular noun, has not been writing to me for 10 years. Fourth, she learned French for over 2 years. See, 4 is again given for over 2 years. You will write she has been learning French for over 2 years. If we have since and for, you will write has been or have been according to the rule and ing form. All of these tenses are about present perfect continuous tense. So you will write here present perfect continuous tense. Sentence number 5. The book lies on the table for a week. The book has been lying on the table for a week. I have done first 5 sentences. I hope you will be able to do rest of the sentence. Just see the sentence. If it is given us the complete action, you will write has, have and third form of verb and make it present perfect tense. And if you have since and for, time limit is given, you will write about the helping verb has been, have been according to the rule, and you will write fourth form of verb or past participle ing form of the verb. I hope you will do it to your own. That is your home task. Allah Hafiz class.